Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to enable dark mode on BitLife simulator. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open the BitLife application from your device. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the menu button at the top left-hand corner. From the main menu page, scroll down and tap on Themes. In order to go dark mode on BitLife simulator, you will need to tap on the dark mode option and then subscribe for either Bitizen or Bitizen Plus God mode. If you select Bitizen Plus God mode option, you will receive all the benefits as Bitizen as well as the God mode. Any of the options you'll choose will be able to enable dark mode on BitLife simulator. After you select one of the options, tap on the Get It Now button and follow through the payment process. Soon after you do that, you will be able to subscribe for premium on BitLife simulator, which will help you activate the dark mode option. So that is the way how you can easily enable dark mode on BitLife simulator. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.